Here's Abigail showing how she can use her little thing. Hi.
Should we go the other way now? Should I help you turn it around so we can go the other way? Okay, come here. Ready? Oops. Okay, Abby. Go for a walk.
Oh, look at her go. Whoop, a little fast.
I'm turning it too. Up the end of the road. Okay, ready? Hold on tight. Hold on tight. Okay.
She's going in the fast kitchen. She's in the fast lane now. Hi. Good job, Abigail. Can you wave? Can you wave? Can you wave? Yeah. Can you wave? Nope, she just smiled. Bye-bye, Abigail. Bye-bye. 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 All right.